Plan in SketchUp. We are learning that today. So let's go to SketchUp. So this is our interface. So we'll start from our top view. So this is the top view. This is the top view. We'll start from this. So this is the building we are going to draw. It's a single bedroom. Everything is here. So just we are just drawing the outline of this building, right? So by clicking shift, I will drag my plane wherever I need. Means this interface I can use to create my plan and everything. So I'll start from, I can use rectangle, but I'm not using that. I'm starting with L. So this is my corner. So just see from here, this corner I am starting. Okay. So I'll imagine this for around maybe 10 feet. I will take 10 feet distance, and length will be, it's more, right? So I'm just anticipating the measurements, not an exact measurement, just to tell you how the concept of walls works. That's it. So walls are there, windows are there, rooms are there, so many things are there. Just I'm just drawing the walls, nothing else. No doors, no windows. That we will teach in another class. We'll learn in another class. Just walls. Okay. So this one I will imagine 15 feet and enter. So that is it. Then down it is coming. Yeah. So this till this point it is coming. Then I'll make an offset of 9 inches. Enter. I'll match this here. Then again when I'm coming, so you can see right side bottom length already it is giving us the measurement, that is 9 inches. So I'll give that. See, I'll click here again. When I'm taking out 9 inches they are giving, I can match this line. It's very difficult to match, you have to match it. And yeah, from again outside 9 inches I will go, need to watch till which point. Yeah, till this point I will go, and I will make another wall. So see, you can see one thing, this came like a single unit. If I'm clicking it, everything will get selected. But the concept is like separate walls we need to make very separate. Otherwise, if I need to watch from the front view, means from this view, if I am watching, I don't want this wall to be visible, so that I can make bed here, things and things here. So what I need to do is, like, I want this wall separate, this wall as a separate unit, this wall as separate unit, this wall as separate. Every walls I need separate units. For that, earlier when I'm starting, I could have drawn in by using a rectangle, but setting the measurement is very confusing if you're starting like that. Now what I'm going to do is I will just make a line there. See, it's separate one, right? Again I'll make another line from here to here. See, this selection is separate, so this one is still, that is together only. So I'll draw another one from here to there. Now everything goes separate. Right? Now the thing I need to do is that after these are separate things only. This is not a solid kind of structure. If I'm elongating, see, I'll press M from here to here. You can see it's not in a solid structure, right? It's not a solid one. If you are elongating, it will come. If you are pushing, it will go. That kind of a mood it is now though. So what we need to do is that the property we need to change. We need to make it to a solid kind of a thing. So many other advantages are there, but just to for you to know the concept, I'm telling these words. Okay, this is the concept, this is what it is making. I will double click it, and then I'll right click it. I'll make it to a group. Okay, see, now when I am trying to move it by pressing yes, you can see everything is coming, right? So it's a group, it's a together thing, it's a solid thing. We don't want, it will not come like a piece or a sagging or dragging, it will, right? So we will make each and everything group. Press right click, make group, right click, make group, right click, double click, okay, make group. So everything is in group now. Now I need to push these. So these are my walls. I'm not drawing any windows and things, I already, as I said before. Okay, now so many internal walls also there. This wall is there, this wall is there, this wall. I'm not drawing all those things. We don't want to get so much things confused from the beginning. So now I want to pull it. So you have all the options. I will be using commands mostly, so I'll be telling all the commands. I never love going here because it's a time consuming thing here. See, if I need a line here, I want to go here, pick the line, and I have to come back, draw it. Very time consuming. Same time, by using my left hand, I will press L. It's done. It's a time. If you are saving fraction of a second also, at the end of it, it will be beneficial for you, since you are using multiple commands in multiple occasions. Okay, so now I have a command. See, you can see push pull. This command I am going to use short key P, right? So I'll press this. I'll see this one only. See, when I'm coming here, you can see my cursor is telling no, denying my push pull. Why? Because I made this into a group. So what I need to do is that any changes I am making to this object I am focusing now, okay, or else go for this object. To this object, I have to go inside that group. Then I can do that. Then it will be possible. See, in this object first, okay. So to go inside that group, I'll double click it. Did you see? Did you notice what has happened? A dotted line came inside outside of that object. That means that is in a group, and you entered into the group, so that now you can make any changes whatever you need. Right now, again I'll go here. Otherwise, I'll push P. When I'm coming here, you can see the selection. When I'm nothing, I'm not clicking any mouse or anything. See, now nothing. When I'm coming here, a dot is coming. So they are telling, like, the system is telling us that ready to extrude or push pull. So after I'm clicking, I will extrude up. So in the right corner, you will get distance from that level. So how much distance you need? I need 10 feet. I'll tell 10 feet. When I'm pressing enter, it will go to 10 feet. This is it. Then still I am in group only. See, you can see the boundary, this boundary. Still I am in the group only. To come out from the group, either you press escape or you press space bar. Okay, I'm pressing space. So I came out of this push pull. Still I am in the group only. Right? You're getting right? Still I am in the group. To come out of the group, I'll press escape. Now you can see we came out of the group, dotted lines went. Right? So the same thing I have to do all around. So what I will do, double click it first. I'll go to push pull. I will click this one. I'll press up. I'll press 10 feet end. That also came there. Then to go out, either double escape. A double escape will not work. First you have to press enter or space bar, then escape. So I came out from the group, right? Yeah. So third one also. So these two things we have done like that. Again, we are repeating the things. If you are repeating the things, we must have shortcuts. Any software. If you are repeating the process, we must have shortcuts. We 1,000. If you need 1,000 object like this, we should not go and do the same thing 1,000 times, right? So I will enter into the group. I'll use P. I don't have time to go here, so I will enter P, means push pull. When I'm coming here, it's correct only. So now what I am going to do is that I don't want to spend time to enter 10 feet again and again. So what I will do is, like, I will click here. When I'm pushing up, it is going right. So I have a reference height here already, right? This is how the same reference only. This is 10 feet, right? This one is 10 feet, I know. So what I will do, after clicking the first extrusion point, I will go somewhere in this surface. This is my 10 feet. See, when I am clicking the exact end, it is showing that, yeah, this is it. Wherever you need from this. So I will click here, right? So again, space, escape. The same thing, the easy method, right? This is an easy method, right? We don't want, if we are making the first one in exact measurement, upcoming things we can consider the made one as reference, right? Again, I will use this one. We are also looking little time consuming, right? So what I will use is, I will enter into this group. I will go P. Then I will do one more thing. Make sure that when you are clicking or doing whatever, the dotted lines are coming. What I will do is, like, double click it. Right? What happened? Did you notice what happened? When I am double clicking, the earlier extrusion height, what you have done, how much height you have done the last extrusion, not the one you are done for the last component, last how much you are done. After that, if you are making any control Z or control Y, the last extrusion how much you have done, that is going to happen. This is next method. So I told three method to do extrusion. First, you can put the values by just by providing the measurement. Second one, I told like by doing a reference surfaces. Third one by double click or whatever the previous extrusion. So these are the basic three methods to do extrusion or push pull or whatever you need to say, these things, right? So before winding up, I'll do one more thing here. Better, I think better we can do here only, this one. So I think this is clear for you. So what I'll make a floor also here. For that I will use a rectangular command. Otherwise, if you're starting, because of your starting, this is our rectangle command. Use it from this corner, move yourself, move your plane according to how it is visible for you. Click there, right? So come out, escape will not work directly, space or enter, then come here. What we need to do first, as I said, double click it, right click, make it to a group. Very important point, right? Then again enter into the group, press P. When the dots coming, press enter. How much height? For an example, I will enter. Here we don't have a previous command, here we don't have a reference point, we must enter the exact value we needed, right? So I will plus 1 inch, enter. You can see, then space, escape. You can see flows are formed, right? Flows are formed. So this is how you can make groups, and how many, what are the methods you can extrude or push pull walls or whatever structures you need. Okay, thank you.